Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into the free video for tonight, I wanted to start off by looking at SPX with you. I feel like there's a roadmap here that should be unfolding, but really to think about movement in the index or to think about movement really in any of these equity picks, we have to begin with the movement in the dollar. And this has been the biggest wrecking ball to US equities over the past several months, really, and it continues just this relentless ascent. So as you base your S&P work, or especially if you are looking for a spot that you think, okay, prices are kind of cheap, I'm going to try to buy something or maybe sell a put, I believe that you're going to be better served to do that if and when the dollar begins to come in. And you can use very basic metrics, like to say the close below the low of the high bar, right? Right now, this being our high bar, and we'll see what tomorrow's action brings. But you see how most of this has been very one time frame oriented. It's basically been straight up with every bit of the move. As long as that continues, you should continue to see pressure on stocks. And if that's what comes through tomorrow, it is very likely on a break of the SPX below 3650. And then I think down into 3600 would be that first target to look for. If that does not offer support, down into 3545 would be your next important area. So I'm keeping things simple for myself right here. I believe this is one of the best spots to look for short-term premium sales when you begin your day. Those 0-day SPX options have been very accommodating for that, and using these levels against them, I believe will help give you an edge. So I hope you find some helpful analysis in that. You guys have a great rest of your evening, and I will see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.